created a basic banking system which has the following features. The technologies or the languages I have used in this project are as follows. For the front end and designing purpose, I have used HTML and CSS, and for the back end, I have used PHP. This is a short glimpse of the web pages from my project. This is a glimpse of the database that has been involved. Now let's inspect the code. This is the code for the index page. It contains a very simple navigation bar and a container having information about the bank and the service offered by the bank. This is the CSS file associated with the index file. This is the page associated with sending money. That is the transfer of money from one account to the another. Here the PHP has been used to fetch the data from the database and perform the transactions as given by the user. The CSS file associated with the sendmoney.php file is as follows. There's also another transactions page which shows all the transactions that have taken place in this bank. It also contains a simple navigation bar, a simple table, and the PHP has been used to fetch the data from the database, and the name of the database is banking system. The CSS file associated with the transactions.php is as follows. Also, there is a page which displays the information containing the name, email, and the current bank balance of all the customers in a bank, and it is named with customers.php. This is as follows. Here, I've also used PHP to connect to the database named banking system, and all the customers' data has been stored in a table named customers. The CSS file associated with customers.php is as follows. Apart from this, I had created two more pages named About and Contact. In about.php, there's info about the creator of this project. And in the contact, there are some basic contact details. So now let's go to the main preview of this project. Before that, I've connected with Sam. Coming to phpMyAdmin, here's my database named banking system. I have two tables, customers and transactions. The table customers contain the data of all the 10 customers that have been part of this bank. You can see the details here with their balance. And the transactions table contains all the transactions that have taken place. Till now, no transaction has taken place, so this data is null. Coming to the banking system. So this is the home page of the banking system. Here you can see the facilities offered. View customers is linked with the file customers.php. Transfer money is linked with the file send money, and transaction has been linked with the file transactions.php. So first of all, let's see the customers associated with the bank. These are all the customers that have been associated with our bank. Now let's transfer the money from Asha Kumari to Bhavna. This is for a demo. You can see the account numbers. Now let's come to the send money tab. I have to send the money from Asha to Bhavna. And here, let me enter the amount like 1,000. I click on send money. I get a status that transaction has been successful. In order to check if the transaction is successful, let's go to the transactions page. Now here we find that ID, the transaction ID is as follows: sender account number, sender's name, receiver's account number, receiver's name, the amount transferred, now the sender's balance, and now the receiver's balance. It also shows the transaction status and the time, date and time for the transaction. Now let's initiate another transaction. It is going to test for the condition when the amount in the customer's bank is like it's not sufficient. So let's take example of Mishti and Damini. The account balance is as follows. Going to send money page. I'm sending from Mishti to this user, and suppose the amount is 5,000 this time, and this amount is actually greater than the bank balance in Mishti's account. So I click on send money. Now I get the message that the transaction failed because insufficient balance in sender's account. Coming to the transactions page just to check it out. So you can see the sender's account, receiver's account, amount transferred is 0. The final balance does not, like it hasn't changed with the transaction has failed. So this is how this basic banking system works. Apart from it, I have 2 more pages, like they are miscellaneous, contact us page and the about us page. So that's it for this basic banking system project. I hope you liked it. Thank you.